Yes, hello, good morning. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Alright? Heal all the cheek of them. You see it? And big up all the meek of them. You see it? Yeah, man. Rest in peace to my brethren Maroon. You see it? Listen, Jamaica, we see a video circulate with Craft in the middle of Half H Square with the police them apprehend him and a dry him away. I'm saying this to say that why Jamaica is the only place on earth where the celebrity them in the country is being targeted by the police and the Jamaican government. Why is that? Why is that? Jamaica is the only place on earth that these things is happening. So I'm saying this. I want to know what Craft do. Anybody know? Please comment, like, and share for me, please. Because I